In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hyphen into something else in Excel. We will walk through each action slowly so you can follow along on your own sheet without guessing what to click or type. To begin, select the cells you want to change. You can click and drag across a range, or click the first cell, hold the Shift key, and click the last cell in the block. Take a second to check that every cell you want to update is highlighted, and that nothing extra is included, because Excel will only look for hyphens inside the cells you have selected. Once that is ready, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard. This opens the Find and Replace window right on top of your worksheet. You should see two input boxes, one labeled Find What and another labeled Replace With, along with a few buttons on the right side. If this window does not appear, make sure Excel is the active window, then press Ctrl and H again. Now in the Find What box, type a single hyphen character. You can press the hyphen key next to the 0 key on most keyboards. The box should now show one small dash with no spaces before or after it. Excel will search for that exact character inside the selected cells, including cases where it appears in the middle of text or numbers. Next, in the Replace With box, type what you want instead. This tells Excel what to put in place of every hyphen it finds. For example, you might type a space to break text apart, or type the word to if you are turning ranges like 10-15 into 10 to 15. You can also type another symbol, such as an underscore, if you prefer a different separator. Whatever you enter here is what will appear in the cells after the replacement runs. If you want to completely remove the hyphen, leave the Replace With box blank. That means do not type anything at all in that box. When this box is empty, Excel will delete the hyphen wherever it finds it and pull the remaining characters together. For example, 1-2 would become 1-2 with no space. A common beginner surprise is that no space is added automatically, so if you want a space, you must type a space in Replace With. If you want every hyphen to turn into 0, type 0 in the Replace With box. Excel will then swap just the hyphen character for the number 0, leaving the rest of the content in each cell the same. This can be useful if hyphens in numeric columns are meant to show missing values, and you want real zeros that formulas can use. After that setup, click the Replace All button. Excel will scan through all the selected cells, replace every matching hyphen, and then show a small message box telling you how many replacements it made. When you click OK in that message, you will see the updated values directly in your worksheet. You have now used Excel Find and Replace to turn hyphens into exactly what you need in one quick step. So if this helped clean up your sheet, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Excel fixes.